To initiate a custody transfer, all you need to do is select which sample IDs that you want to transfer and put on your chain. So you can either select all of them in your My Custody page, or you can select individual ones. So we'll just select MW4 and MW5. And then that turns on the transfer custody button. So we'll just click that. Then you come up with three options. You can either do direct transfer, which goes directly to another user, drop off, which goes to a secure location, or commercial delivery, which goes to FedEx or UPS. So we'll just go to direct transfer because that's the simplest one. You can see here for step one is verify. You're just going to verify that you're transferring it to the correct user. So you see the first one is transfer from, which is my account. Transfer to is defaulted to the lab contact that you put on the project on the web app. So that is defaulted to the lab because generally you're just going to be transferring directly to the lab. Or you can actually select a different user who is tied to this project in this field event. So you can see there's another lab manager, there's a couple lab couriers, lab technician, and then admin, who is the project manager. And then you can also add in a new user. So if they don't actually have an account, but you need to transfer it to them because they're going to drop it off to the lab, you can actually click add new user, put in all their information, and then they will be the new transferee. So we'll just stick with my dummy account for Jake's Labs. We'll hit continue. Next step is the signature. So I'll just sign my name. And then the selfie. Then you will hit continue. And then done, we'll grab the GPS of your location. You can now, when you drop it off to the lab can either view it and accept it right on the field app here with the view and accept in the bottom left-hand corner. You can hit done and it will show up on their lab app. And you can also print out a custody seal. If you want to put a custody seal on your cooler, you can print out how many you want. So we'll just print out one. You will select your printer and your orientation. You have one that just printed off right here. So you can put this on your cooler, and you can also put the QR code on top of the cooler so the lab can scan it very easily. You can also just share your COC. You can share it via email. You can share it to all these different other apps.